So let us firstly learn that what is estimation or rounding off. Okay, estimation या rounding off होता क्या है? So let us look at its definition first, which is in some situations, instead of giving the exact number, we give a number near about the exact number as the answer. This is called rounding off the numbers. Meaning कि कई बार ऐसी सिचुएशन होती है कि इंस्टेड ऑफ गिविंग द एग्जैक्ट नंबर, पूरा एग्जैक्ट नंबर देने की बजाय हम ना कुछ रफ आइडिया दे देते हैं. विल गिव सम एस्टिमेशन. ठीक है. लाइक यू ऑल मस्ट बी वंडरिंग दैट व्हाई आई हैव पुट अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ केक ओवर देयर. Yummy, isn't it? Yes, but why I have put the picture of a cake in this? See, let's take an example of your birthday. And if you're planning to throw a birthday party in some hotel or in some restaurant or somewhere like that, okay, then you need to book that hotel first. And for that, that manager will ask you that how many persons are coming, कितने लोग आ रहे हैं आपकी पार्टी में. And then you keep the list in your mind कि okay, मैंने इसको भी बुलाया है, मैंने उसको भी बुलाया है. But along with that, अगर उसके मम्मा आ गए, उसके पापा आ गए, some cousin, brother, sister, you know, younger sibling, sometimes they insist that I also want to go there, right? So according to that, if you manage to say that if you are planning for 35, now if you have invited 35 of your friends, suppose, then to the manager you will say okay that you prepare the food for 40 persons, around 40 persons will be coming. 40 के आसपास आ जाएंगे. You must have heard of this word often in your home, like 40 के करीब आ जाएंगे, 40 के आसपास आ जाएंगे, like around 40. We don't give the exact number, right? We give a number which is almost around the exact number, right? So that is why, so that even if you will have more persons, you can accommodate to them. Okay, so sometimes in these type of situations, when we give a rounded number, this is called rounding off. Okay, when we don't give the exact number, when we give a rough idea of that number, so that rough idea is called estimation or rounding off. Okay, now let us take one more example. Like suppose you have a bat which is of suppose 500 rupees. Okay, but now you forgot the actual price of it, and one friend came to your house and he asked you that wow, your this bat is so nice. Okay, so can you tell me what is the price of this? I also want to buy. बट अभी तो उसको लिए बहुत देर हो गई आपको, और आपको उसका एग्जैक्ट प्राइस तो याद नहीं है. तो आप बोलते हो कि शायद 500 का था, उसके 500 के आसपास था. ओके, 500 के आसपास था. तो नाउ यू डोंट नो द एग्जैक्ट प्राइस. नाउ यू जस्ट से कि शायद 550 का या 450 के अराउंड इतना था, right? So when you give a rough idea, okay, when you don't remember, like sometimes we remember the exact number, but like in birthday party situation, you cannot tell the exact persons how many are coming. Okay, so when in these type of situations, when you give a rough idea, that is called a rough estimate, and that is called rounding off numbers in maths, or estimation in maths. Okay, so now let's look further. So let us look at it with the help of a number line. Now let me explain it to you mathematically. Okay, that was in daily life situation where we can use estimation or rounding off. Okay, now let me explain it to you with the help of this number line. Now this number line I have started from 10 and I have kept up to 20 deliberately. I'll just let you know. Okay, first of all, if I round off, if I took this number 17, okay, now I took this number 17. Now if you observe this number 17 carefully, then you will see that 17 is closer to 20 than 10. जो 17 नंबर है वो 20 के ज्यादा पास है instead of 10, राइट? अभी देखो इट इज मतलब सीधा दिख रहा है कि 17 जो है वो 20 के ज्यादा पास है, बिकॉज 1 2 3 3 गैप्स आर देयर, एंड 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. If you want to move to the zeros around 17, then here you have to move 7 steps and here you have to move 3 steps. So obviously 17 is closer to 20 than 10. Okay, so that means it is rounded off to 20 and not 10. So if I have to round off 17, then I will round off 17 to 20. Okay, because it is near to 20. So basically when we round off, then we see कि वो जो number हमने circle किया है, जिसको हमने round off करना है, वो किस किस zero के ज़्यादा पास है, lower zero के ज़्यादा पास है या higher zero के ज़्यादा पास है. So here the lower zero was 10 and the higher zero was 20. Okay, but यहाँ से उसके steps कम है, so that means it is closer to 20 than 10. Alright, so all the others number also, like if you see 16, if you see 18, 19, okay, then 16, 18, 90, they all are also close to, yes, tell me, they all are also close to 20. Okay, this number 16, then 18, and then 19, they are also close to 20. So if I want to round them off, I will round them off to 20. Okay, so from here we have got an idea that 16, 17, 18 and 19, they round off to the higher number of 0. Okay, higher 0 place. So what about the others? But what about others? Now let us see again, but now we'll take the number 13, say. Okay, now this part we have seen, that's from 16 to 19, they are rounding off to 20. Now let us look at the other part, the what happened in this part. Now let us look at 13. Now if you see this number 13, then 13 is closer to 10 देन 20. अब मुझे अगर 13 से जीरोस में जाना हो, ठीक है, लोअर जीरो इज 10, हायर जीरो इज 20. ओके, तो मुझे 13 से लेके 10 तक जाने में बस 3 स्टेप्स लगेंगे, 1 2 3. और 13 से लेके 20 तक जाने में 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 स्टेप्स. सो विच इज मोर नियर, 10 और 10 और 20? Obviously 10. Okay, 10 is more near. So that means 13 will be rounded off to 10 and not 20. Okay, 13 will be rounded off to 10. Alright. So, and what about the other numbers? Same will go for 11, 12 and 14 also. Because same, if you will count the number of steps from here, then this will be less and this till 20 it will be more. Okay, so we can say that for 11, 12 and 14, 11, 12 and 14, they all also will be rounded off to 10. Okay, so they all also will be rounded off to 10. So what we have guessed till now over here is that this area which is to the left side of 15, that is 11, 12, 13 and 14, they are always rounded up to the lower value, and 16, 17, 18 and 19, this area, they are always rounded off to higher value, which is 20. Okay, now what about this 15? ये तो बेचारा अकेला रह गया. Oh, don't worry, we have a solution for 15 also. Well, if we now look at this number 15, that when the number is halfway, it is always rounded to the greatest number. जब वो नंबर मिडल में है, ओके, जब वो नंबर मिडल में है, तो वो हमेशा फिनिशिंग लाइन की तरफ ही भागेगा ना. राइट, सपोजिंग यू आर इन द मिडल ऑफ अ रेस, ओके, और आपके 5 स्टेप्स रहते हैं वापस स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट पे जाने के लिए, और हाफ 5 डिस्टेंस ही रहता है फिनिशिंग लाइन पे जाने के लिए. सो अगर आपको भागना ही है और आपको इक्वली भागना है, तो व्हाई यू विल रन अगेन टू द स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट? यू विल ऑब्वियसली रन टू द फिनिशिंग लाइन, राइट? सो सेम गोज फॉर दिस नंबर. नाउ दिस इज हाफ वे, उसको इधर भी 5 पॉइंट जाना है और इधर भी 5 स्टेप्स जाना है, ठीक है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो फिनिशिंग लाइन की तरफ, ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर की तरफ भागेगा. Okay, so 15 is always rounded off to 20 because 15 is halfway between 10 and 20. So 15 is always rounded off to 20. Alright, so same will go for all the numbers 5, 25, 35, 45, etc. Right? And whatever we have done, that for whatever number is ending with 5, they will always be rounding off to the highest place. Okay, and whatever numbers are to the left of the 5 wali figure, okay, like 1 2 3 4 11 12 13 14, okay, 21 22 23 24, or 31 32 33 34, like that. Okay, all the numbers that are ending with 1 2 3 and 4, okay, they will always go to the lowest place, lowest zero. And the numbers that are ending with 6 7 8 and 9, they will always go to the higher number. All right, and the number which is halfway, that is ending with 5, they will also go to the higher place. Okay, till now clear? All right. But here are certain situations where the number should not be rounded off. Yes, there are some situations where you should not round off the numbers. Okay, now let us look at those situations. What can they be? For example, the figures related to time. Okay, like for example, if you have to catch a train, okay, and the train is at 12:30, okay, 12:30 p.m., and you tell somebody, okay, the train is around 1 के around है, okay, तो what will happen? उसकी train बेचारे की miss हो जाएगी ना. So you cannot round off the figures that are related to time. Right? Okay, here is another example. Figure related to dates, like your birthday date. Even suppose your birthday is on 15th January, and somebody asks you and you say, oh, my birthday is around, like you can say 11 or 18. No, that is not your exact birthday date. Then they will wish you on that day only, right? Okay, so figures related to dates cannot be rounded off. All right, here is one more situation. Figures related to year, like in which year you were born or in which year Statue of Unity was made. You cannot round off those figures. Okay, like if you are born in say 2015 and somebody asks you and you say मैं तो 2000 के आसपास born हुआ था. So what is this 2000 के आसपास? Your age will be different if you are born in 2000, and your age will be different if you are born in 2015. Right? So figures related to time, date and year cannot be rounded off. And if you come across more situations like this, don't hesitate to write in the comment box and let us know that you are also working on these things. And take a minute to subscribe also. We love to hear your comments. And don't forget to click the subscribe button for all the latest updates. And to watch more videos, do visit our channel. And the next video will be on how to rounding off or to estimate numbers. Thank you. Bye bye.